everyone. Now for our next craft, take your hand and paint it all in yellow and put this on a white sheet of paper. Do this yellow paint on the thumb finger, add a pair of googly eyes and then add red to the top to show a hen. Add its feet and then paint the bottom green to show the grass. You may also dip your thumb finger in paint and make little chicks at the sides. You may also add little clouds as you please. For our next craft, once again, dip your hand in yellow paint, reverse the paper, and on the top of your now inverted paper, add an ovular shape. Now connect this ovular shape to the rest of your hand and color the nose as well as the ears and the eyes. Now, proceed to draw spots all over the body of this giraffe and color them in brown. You may add leaves to the side. Now for our next craft, paint your hand in green and then stick it on the paper. You will get the imprint of your hand. On each of the fingers, as will be displayed, take some paint and stick it as such. Add thorns to show that it is a cactus with flowers and add a pot at the bottom. Now for our next painting, take your hand, paint it in green and stick it on paper. Once again, reverse this paper, draw an ovular shape at the top of this paper and then add eyes and a cute little smile. We will be drawing a dinosaur. Add some edges to the dinosaur which will form its back and add trees in the corner. And thank you for watching.